This video will show you how to add simple voice chat to a Minecraft server. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want real in-game voice chat on your Minecraft server, you can try installing simple voice chat. It adds proximity voice chat, meaning players can hear each other when they're close, which makes multiplayer feel way more immersive. You can install simple voice chat as a mod on servers like Fabric or Forge. For this video, I'll install it on a Fabric modded server. Before we get into the setup, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you don't want to deal with setting up servers manually, port forwarding, or sharing your IP, Apex Hosting makes everything super easy. Their servers are fast, stable, and they work great with both modded server and plugin based servers. You also get 24/7 customer support, so if something breaks, they'll help you fix it. The setup process only takes a few minutes, and if you use the link in the description or pinned comment, you're supporting the channel at the same time. So thank you so much. Alright, to download simple voice chat, you can go to cursvoice.com, and once you're here, you can go to the Minecraft section, just click on Minecraft, and then just type in simple voice chat on the search bar. As I said, you'll see two versions here, the mods version for Fabric or Forge, and plugins. Pick the one you want to use. For me, it's gonna be the mods version, so I can click on it to go to the page and then go to the files tab, and here you're gonna download the correct game version or mod loader. So for me, it's gonna be 121.11 and Fabric as the mod loader. If it's different for you, you can scroll down and look for the correct one. Once you find it, you can click the three dots on the right and then hit download file, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. After you finish downloading, you'll have the jar file inside your downloads folder. Now let's put the file on the server. So just open up your server folder. If you're using a Fabric or Forge server, you're gonna put it into the mods folder. If you're using a paper or spigot server, you need to put it into the plugins folder instead. So here I'm using Fabric, so I'm gonna open up the mods folder and then just drag and drop simple voice chat into the mods folder, just like that, and that's done. If you're using Fabric, make sure you install Fabric API so simple voice chat can work properly. If you're using Apex Hosting, you're gonna do the same. You're gonna go to the left tab here and click on FTP file access, and you'll see your server files. Just upload simple voice chat jar files into the mods folder. Now you can go back and launch the server with simple voice chat. If you're using Apex Hosting, you can set additional port. On the left tab, click on additional ports, type in the description of the port. For example, here's simple voice chat, click add port, and there we go. This is what I need to type in inside the config file. You'll have a new folder called config. Just open it up and look for voice chat folder. And inside it, you'll have voice chat server.properties. This is the voice chat config file. So I can right click and then edit in Notepad. One thing to note is that anyone who wants to play on the server and use simple voice chat, they also need to install it on their client side to actually use simple voice chat.